You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. It usually refers to a bouncy minced pork in noodles, or a soup or noodle soup from Thailand, but it also refers to a baby pygmy hippo that is quite viral and popular now. The Thai pronunciation is as moo, a long oo sound, moo deng. Let's repeat that one more time. Moo deng. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.